There's a lot of people, and I'm one of them, that a couple times a year, oh boy, your sinuses act up and you're all itchy, and it's because there's pollen in the air. So I decided to take the song Love Is In The Air by John Paul Young and turn it into Pollen Is In The Air. Why not have fun with it? Here we go, 1, 2, 3, and pollen's in the air, everywhere I look around. Oh yeah, pollen's in the air, up above and on the ground. I don't know if I'm being allergic, I don't know if I'm getting hives, but the fluff is getting to annoy me, and especially when I'm rubbing my eyes. Fluff in the air, it's dropping from the tree. There are pods of allergens, and they're coming after me. Maybe I'm overreacting, or maybe I'm losing my mind, but it's making me so itchy, and it's a pain in the behind. Yes it is. Oh, pollen's in the air, da, 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 da. Pollen's in the air, fluff is in the air. Oh, 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 oh. Pollen's in the air, you can see it in the sun.